Today we're going to change the toner on your Brother HL-L2395DW. Open the front cover. Remove the drum and toner assembly and place it onto clean flat surface. Placing scrap paper under your drum and toner is recommended. Next, remove the toner cartridge from the drum unit by pressing the green lock lever. Be careful not to touch the drum rollers during this process, as this can cause print quality problems. Now, unpack the new toner and install the cartridge into the drum unit. Listen for the cartridge to lock into place. Next, reinstall the drum and toner assembly into the machine and close the front cover. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.